How to add a page loader in Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to add a page loader in Wix. So the process is very easy. Let's just get started and let's dive into the video. So first what you have to do is come to your Wix dashboard, and once you land on your Wix dashboard, what you have to do is just scroll down until you see this settings option and just click this settings option, and then scroll down to this advanced option. Here you have to click this custom code option. Once you click this custom code option, this interface is going to open. Now here what you have to do is click this add custom code and paste the code of your page loader or preloader that you want to use, and then you are good to go. Right now I cannot because I'm not on an upgraded version for the Wix website, but you have to be on the upgraded version of Wix website to add a custom code or to use a preloader or page loader for your Wix website. So make sure that you upgrade to a premium version for this. This is a demo account and I'm not upgraded to a premium version, so I'm not able to add a custom code, but that's the process that you can follow easily to use a page loader or preloader. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.